Hey everybody, welcome to another vlog. I know the last couple vlogs have been spaced out, but I have a big chunk that I'm ready to get up and I've chopped them down. So get ready for a couple close together. This vlog starts off with some massive over-the-top super cuteness from Alfie. I know sometimes I go overboard with the Alfie footage, but I can't help myself. He's just got this crazy, outgoing, fun, sort of spirited personality, and he's just like a lot of fun, and he does funny things all the time. Pretty much like 90% of the time does something really cute or really funny. And then I'm like, I have to remember that. So why don't we just start right off with the cute, crazy Alfie bits. What's that?
Yeah, here you go.
What is it? No, only one. How many?
3.
Not 3, 1. Okay, that's one. Only one. Say thank you, Mama.
Mommy.
Okay, one more.
Mama.
One more. How many more? How many more?
2.
No.
Love.
I love you.
Love.
5?
Yeah.
No, 1. That's it.
Right.
No more, we're gonna have dinner.
Mom. No.
How do you ask? What do you want?
Please.
Please what?
Please. Please.
What do you want?
One.
1?
Yeah, one. One.
Just 1. How many? Only?
2.
20 minutes later.
Cheers.
What are you eating? At the mommy?
Yeah, mommy. They said you can't do it.
Oh, so I gave Alfie his first ever haircut. Like, it's a big deal only for me, only because it's traumatic. I bawled my eyes out when I had to first cut Stella's hair. Alfie doesn't have as much, and it's not as like Shirley Temple curly as Stella's was, but it's still like these long sort of fine locks in the back. I admit it was starting to get a little bit too long. He has, I mean, you've seen the footage, you've seen Alfie, he's got a mullet. For some reason it's growing like half the rate in the front and then like triple the rate in the back. So the back is just like flowing down, and it was getting out of hand. I mean, my parents, Peter's parents, everyone was kind of like, okay, it's time to cut the hair. But we thought, let's clean it up a little bit. I'll cut like, I only cut like this much off, which is what, like 1.5 inches. But felt like if I didn't do that, he was gonna wake up one day wearing like an acid wash denim jacket and matching jeans, and maybe no shirt underneath.
Round or square at the back, sir?
Yeah! Yeah!
Okay. Okay, turn around.
Turn around.
She's gonna do some
No, turn and face Stella. There you go.
Bathroom! Oh, don't cut too much, Mama.
That's enough, right?
Yeah, probably. Yeah. Okay.
What
Done.
about in the front?
Ta-da!
Show them your new haircut. Sit up. Let's see it. Did you just get your haircut?
Yeah! Hello.
There you go. Yeah. Okay.
Back. Now. And now stretch up tall. Da, da, da. Go back down. Da, da, down. And then touch your toes. That's it. Da. Okay, and put your feet back out. Down. And everybody do this. And then spin.
I was fortunate enough to have one of my best friends from the States come over from DC with her kids. We got to hang out for the weekend. It was a beautiful, I don't get to see them very often. And so the time together was just really treasured. We had a great time. We went to the V&A Museum, the Victoria and Albert Museum, and my friend was able to get us tickets to the Christian Dior exhibit, which is quite hard to do. We got to see a lot of beautiful gowns. Maybe the kids didn't find it as interesting as we did. What? We did some shopping in Sloane Square. They kindly had gotten us tickets to Aladdin in the West End, and that was really fun for Stella and me. The boys went to a rugby game. We also went to the Tower of London. We had such a great time. It was so good to see them.
Feel the most when I'm alone. I think of you 'cause when you're gone, I remember the feelings, they're hidden in the dark. I never left my feelings shown. I feel the most when I'm alone, but now the rush is longing to be waking up. I belong in your future, fighting in the dark. You never let your feelings show.
Stella has been practicing these Easter spring themed types of songs at school. So when Leslie and I were taking the kids for a walk down to Parsons Green, we were lucky enough to have Stella give us an impromptu performance of some of her songs. It was really sweet. I love to hear Stella sing.
Before you take my rights away.
Oh, I love this one.
The faster I will run. You can't deny me. You can't decide to turn your face away.
I love you, Jackson.
It doesn't matter because there's something inside so strong. I know that I can make it, but do me wrong so wrong. That my pride goes on. Something inside so strong. Brothers and sisters, just not good enough. Just not good enough. If you knew better, you would look me in the eyes and say, I'm gonna do it anyway. I'm gonna do it anyway. I'm gonna do it anyway. It doesn't matter because there's something inside so strong. I know that I can make it. Though you're doing me wrong, so wrong. Thought that my pride was gone. Oh no. Something inside so strong. Something inside so strong. That's different, but only the year 5s and.
Okay, that's very good. Stella!
Stella, that's marvelous.
That looks so nice.
Did you do that?
Look at
That's Stella.
Stella. Look,
That's wonderful.
It's beautiful.
Alfie?
oven.
No, we can't open. No, sorry.
Oven, Mom.
No.
No, we're all about sugar here.
Cake.
Which one? I know. Is that what you want? Princess Betty Funfetti cupcakes? Which one do you want, Alfie?
Chocolate? Actually, I want the one that looks yummy.
That's vegan. I will have a coffee, yeah.
What's this?
Salted caramel.
Cupcake, yeah.
That's what you
It
want?
looks yummy though.
Do you want that one, Alfie?
No. Mama! Mom, it's not your business.
Okay.
Alfie, hurry, they're gonna get us. Are you okay? He's gonna get us. Oh, he just ditched the vehicle.
You just ditched the vehicle?
He has to get on to get away from you guys.
He was just captured.
No, Alfie!
Evan's recent thing is that he got a ukulele and he's quite good at it. He picked it up quite quickly. He played the guitar for a little bit. Like the ukulele, I think is not as difficult as the guitar. But he strums up in his room. We hear him quite often strumming in his room. So one day I went in there and I was like, play a little something for me. And he played a little something for me and then also sang. And it kind of really melted my heart. And I told him I wouldn't post it, but then I had to tell him that I needed to post it because it was too cute. I recognize that. What is that?
It's Joji. This song. You're taking my heart now. No.
Keep playing it.
You're taking my heart now, and I don't know why. No.
It's really good. Keep going.
What? Are you
That
filming?
made my heart jump.
Why?
Do it.
Looked at you and said, oh, oh, oh. It's crazy, baby.
Let's run away from mommy on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Say bye bye, mommy.
Ready, steady, go!
He just went arse over.
Did he fall? His face?
He fell very gracefully, actually, and he held onto his juice the whole time.
Don't kiss the way we used to anymore. Don't hold me like you used to anymore. You're holding on to feelings, let them pour out on me.
Hold on.
On me,
Oh, look at Alfie, hold on, he's sad. He's sad.
on me.
Come look at Stella, come over here!
Now what's the point to be alone? My life is empty without you, there'd be no home. I done wrong in the past, but I was fighting in the dark, and I won't hold my feelings back anymore. I wanna kiss the way we used to anymore. You don't have to wait anymore. You're holding on to feelings that I'm pour out on me. I feel the most when I am all alone, 'cause feelings are so hard to show you. I think of you 'cause I have not forgot the feelings that I still have for you anymore.
Okay, so we've been going to the park, getting some pretzels, and oh, here's my uniform.
Garbage truck. Garbage truck.
Tail of the Oh, yes, Dave, you! No.
Just go fast.
Yay! Mommy! Yay! Why are you wearing those weird glasses?
Because I can't see because I'm old.
Your eyes look green.
Your eyes look beautiful. We're watching Mamma Mia together. It's our little
Mamma
activity
Mia.
tonight. Some may say parts of it are inappropriate. I haven't come to those yet.
I've seen number 2. This is number 1. I've seen it 6 times number 2, but I've seen the first one.
I haven't seen either of them. So tonight is a little special night for Stella and we're watching it. Alfie went to bed early. Fingers crossed he stays asleep. And we're having a little Mamma Mia night because Stella is obsessed. Obsessed. She usually watches this with Grandma Wada, but so tonight I'm catching up and trying to join in on the Mamma Mia madness. So it's exciting. Peter's making dinner. It's kind of a perfect night.
Shh! Shh!
Oh, sorry.
Silence!
Turn to this one.
You don't have to wait anymore. You're holding on to feelings, let them pour out on me.
Levi gave it to me.
Why did Levi give it to you?
No, it was his birthday and everyone had it. No! Daddy! Favorite!
Carrots for bunnies, yeah.
Mommy, carrots! Carrots!
Yeah, it's carrot.
Carrots!
Who eats carrots?
Many carrots! Yours! Mine! Not yours! Mine! Not yours!
What did you get? Alfie, that's not yours. Alfie, that's not yours.
Alfie, no!
Alfie, that's not yours. You give it to Stella. Alfie, you come give Stella a hug and say, I'm sorry. Say, I'm sorry. Say, I'm sorry. He's trying to say here, you're say sorry. Say, I'm sorry. No, you just took the other ones that she wanted. You're supposed to give her a hug and say sorry. Oh, he's trying to give you a kiss. Give a kiss. Are you going to do it again? Oh.
Maybe we should take off at Westminster and taking the train to Waterloo. Sorry.
Oh, that's okay.
But then we don't get to walk across the bridge.
Yeah, no, I love the bridge. It was romantic. We decided to go on our date night early tonight so we can catch the sunlight.
Indeed.
Such a beautiful day. So that's good. We another perk of going on an early date night when the sun is up is that I can see your face in the light.
I know, that's why I usually try to avoid that. That's why that's why we always go to dining in the dark.
Actually, it's true. It's better when you're in the club. No, we're not going to the club. We're going to a very civilized place for dinner. So we were going to go to some rooftop bar that Peter had in mind, but it was just a long wait. So we decided to just come downstairs to a restaurant called Oaxaca. It's a Mexican, obviously a Mexican restaurant.
Please, this is not my intention of a hot date.
No, Peter's a little bit like, I didn't have you come all the way into central London and walk across the bridge to go to Oaxaca. But Oaxaca, or Oaxaca, like I'd like to say, it was actually really good. We had good food. It was right. I mean, it's nothing like LA Mexican food. Let's just get that out there because that's just a given. But it was good, and we had a nice time at Oaxaca. Oaxaca. Oaxaca.
What's that?
We need to find a pub to get some delicious sticky toffee pudding because that is one of my favorite desserts. Not only in England, but in the world. So we're going now.
They don't do it here at Waham.
They don't do it at Wahama. They might do it at the Wellington across the street. And they might do it at the Miter in Fulham. And then we might just go back to our neighborhood.
Oh, that'd be a good idea.
Yeah, the Miter. We should try that.
Okay.
He's really into me. Alfie, hold it.
Wrong.
Alfie's strong, I know.
Mama, can we connect it to your phone? Baby.
Baby, why don't you just meet me in the middle? I just had a frog throw it. It was gross. I was like I'm losing my mind just a little.
No.
Baby, won't you meet me?
No, yank it.
Okay, fine.
So why don't you just meet me in the middle? In the middle. Baby, why don't you just meet me in the middle, baby?
Baby,
No. What song do... Baby shark do 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 do
Go
do.
sing it.
Baby shark do 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 do. Baby shark do do.
Go sing it.
Baby shark. Grandma shark do 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 do. Grandma shark.
is that how Grandma talks?
That's how it sounds in the video.
Grandpa shark. On one of these really sunny weekends that we've been fortunate enough to have, we took the kids and we prepared a picnic and we went to Hyde Park, and that was a lot of fun. He will always
Always
be
be.
10 years older.
You and Evan is 10 years apart. You still love me close, right?
We're walking into Hyde Park, and everybody's in a jazzy mood because the weather's nice, and then I hear some singing coming from my husband. What is it? Let's listen. Let's take a listen.
Wada Davies says that snowman song is snowman song is
Say what?
You know, super jazzy tune.
I do too. Mom, and I do too.
No, I can't do it.
No. Stella, tell me what Grandma Davies thinks of that song.
That song is annoying. And I do too.
When I sing
I
it,
think it's a
annoying
pretty
in
song,
general.
but it's just random that your dad's singing it right now. This is so nice. Oh, go get Evan. Can I come in your house? Enter. How is that cake? How is the cake? Too much?
Yeah, their cake's in there, Alfie.
It's like the most perfect day. Alfie is on the go constantly, and I wouldn't be surprised if he if we let him free, if he would explore the entire park today. Probably go to every corner of the park if he could. Backed up to the tree and Scott's just back on the tree like a bear. No, no, this is weird. Evan.
Why is that?
Oh, let's take a look at the socks. Babe, that is not okay. That's just... Babe, it look... That is just barely covering the toe and the bottom of your foot. They look like little ballet slippers. They're like ballet slippers.
That's why I'll
Evan, look at the sock. Hurry. And then Stella was dying to go on the paddle boats, so she and I went on the paddle boats and took some duck food with us and fed the birds. We had a really great time. That was one of my most special memories that I've made with her to date here in London. I'll never forget that. That was a good one. Hey, Stella and I were at Hyde Park in the paddle boat. So you're gonna go see me? Okay, well, Mommy can do it.
But I'm still doing it, Mama.
Nice. Are you happy that we're doing this? Do you see Evan? Do you see Alfie?
Evan said it was gonna be long, and I couldn't.
It's actually not that hard to pedal.
Pedal, but I can pedal.
You can pedal just fine. You're a good helper. Well, a good pedaler. Good co-pedaler.
Scoot off a little bit and give myself a little bit of a wedgie.
Oh, what'd you say?
I have to scoot back on the chair and give myself a wedgie.
A wedgie. Cute. Ish.
What if the duck climbed in with us?
We'd have a new friend.
Right there. The duck climbed in there. And then our boat was full of ducks.
You're like, have a seat. Help us pedal. Look at those ducks. They have Alfie hair. Look, they have Alfie hair. They totally have Alfie hair.
They have the hair when it's brushed back, and they look like their name is Barb.
Barb. He's coming to your side. Feed him.
Is that it?
Do you like Hyde Park?
Yeah, especially this.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. The last time we did paddle boats was Echo Park in LA. Do you remember that?
What?
We did paddle boats at Echo Park in LA right before we moved to Hong Kong. Do you remember that?
I remember that.
Ow! You're getting me! Ow! Alright everybody, hope you enjoyed the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. The next few vlogs will be out in the next couple days. I hope you have a wonderful week and we wish you all the best.